What's going on, everyone? Got a 2018 Mercedes GLC300. Today I'm going to show you how to get into the service menu to reset the service reminder, okay? This one does have the key. If you have the push button start, it is the same procedure, okay? So what we're going to do first is stick the key in, turn it to the one position, okay? That's just one click. With the push button start, it's just hit the button once. All right, now what you need to make sure you have the cluster on trip, okay? Like if you have it on like the radio or something like that, make sure you have it on trip on miles. Once we have it there, we're gonna press OK and the phone button at the same time and hold them down, and then the menu will change, okay? Now I may have to put the camera kind of down in a weird way because I have to do this with two hands. So just bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and press and hold down OK. And phone. All right, so after you hold it down for a minute, this is what the screen will change to. All right, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to Assist Plus, hit OK. And it says to switch to ignition on, and we're gonna go to position 2. All right, it tells us that service is overdue. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a full service on this guy. Okay, confirm service. Yes. Yes. All right, and then we're all done. Our message for the service will now be gone. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing all the way off and then put foot on the brake, start this guy up, and we are good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me, and hope to see you again in another video.